Zakha, the Masa Students Union Government College Haflong. So like Repo Yopa program, the Masa Sheikh Leda, Hagazai Sumpai Dagi by the Funban Leda. Go by Arrow Zakha, the Masa Students Union Government College Haflong. Gua Paima, remain Nelayaba, Ushne time Rilado.
We shall now witness a traditional combat known as Rimin Lalayaba.
Skala dinini live ni sikrik join zahera oke ani kene ma hangza ma khasang ma doha ni sikrik thar mai nai do 5 edition Dimasa Youth Festival Nagaland do efor razia salaiba ora jing dong faidu jing miya faidada miya sopaika dini prongaira faiba miya hala dansri ha thuba dan jang bosi surajai phaiba surajai boira ha video slam baidu doha jing naya bajala baidima bukala krebo thar maidu jing Dimasa raula de doha naima remeni laya bake ibu live ani am
Our
phonona
participants for the day is Shri Niyojit Ardao from Doyapur village
ora dego
and Shri
cameraman
Amit
sarauga
Jidong from Doyapur village. Our
Rari min
referee
nilaidu.
for the game
Da
is
gabat
Shri
handaran nisni
Yunison
punona.
Nalisa from Hazadesa village. Displaying before us is Rimin Nelayaba. Rimin refers to the traditional hand pounder used for pounding any pulses or grains, and Nelayaba refers to pushing and knocking each other. The player who pushes the opponent out of the demarcated area or gets his opponent down is declared the winner.
So the chair like buske wo busbo sao ekdom bol thamdo obane buske chair like crowd busu volunteers buduk sao da is a hamba aro ke extra control kla aga khede ham nangmo program jam dekha lawya kha
one side đúng đấy cái chấm à gini cái đồng lại của
Judai kepo apa kharobri ama judai participants the referee duha by the funuma jini cultural troops Nagaland nishne time rilado
Kamai ma ha
Ladies and gentlemen, we shall now witness the Baidima from the Nagaland cultural troupe.
After this, we will have a speech by Chief Guest Shri T.N. Manan, IAS retired, MLA and advisor Law and Justice, Land Revenue, Government of Nagaland. After that, we will also have another traditional dance, Baigra, Dimasa Students Community, Guwahati, followed by Baijaba, and then followed by Wall of Thanks by Shri Daljorosa, General Secretary, DYF. Program banyak kah, ulban eksau dah krepo khalawi kami jom kade ham nang mati tiladu, bijang jang hembai eksau dah krepo program ke naik kat kade ham namu, ebon yohana jing dini chief guest, bo kerau tima, ulban krepo eksau dah kari gain song kat kade ham nang mati tiladu.
Hello. Oi, ibu nanti bayi tes pelangga, bayi kera, bayi di Nagaland, Nagaland ni bayi di mana?
Mobile stand, mobile tripod. Tripod होगा क्या? Tripod है क्या? इसके अंदर
Ada, army, saya bas. Lanang nanya. Get tripod lama sebelah. Nagaland di Mazerau Padima by mana faitu. Si dua era naik pudo Nagaland di Mazerau Padima by mana faitu. Live nih aro, share klik lah, hamnang mau cari request klik lah, don't iske. Lando.
small fruit manga identified by TrueColor.
Oh, call fight ada stop jalan apa? Era nai, Surajai, Kamdara nai do, Jan Kemprai Sigo baju, Jan Kemprai Sigo barancing do. Era last this, era jinde, era trek nih saja. Ada, oh jendela dukan, dana thandara nai nang, oh jende bodong dukan. Ada main gate lah or jende, welcome gate lah. Era muri dam leba.
Juthai Cultural Troupe Nagaland mazang shiklai da by the funban da. Before we move to the next program, we would like to felicitate some of our guests today. We will take this time shortly to felicitate. Sekarang tawa dua kisah harus kini kita felicitate klaim am jitu program sekarang langi tanya sani. First azama Devolal Jigdu Siladu. Ebon Yahona Mungshri Mohan Debra Gede, entrepreneur. Bobo Baradong, Sauda Songkade Hamnong Moti Chiladu. Krebo Yopa Krabamak, Sauda. Ebon Yahona Kachari Rajbari Preservation Committee ni President Mungshri B.N.1000 Nimbardong Sauda Songkade Hamnong Mochi Chiladu. Ebon Yauna Bumukede era lista girit kabo nishi erani asaba President nekade GS Dongka tikade Sauda Bakla Dongka tikade nishi Paika tikade Hamnong Mochi Chiladu. Sekarang tawa jini apex body di masa Lairidi Mel. Era Nagaland ini ya di masa Lairidi Mel uzanti mahasau ni. Asaba President ini GS tong kade kesauda stage apa kita hamna mod cicila. Bunyau na jadi kenai sohosam. Buni President ini General Secretary asaba harus apa kita hamna mod cicila do. Kisah time giriman kledang sekarang tipalang do tikabo nisi asaba time era stage supaya pukade hamnang mod cicila do. Bunyauna di masa Students Union President negade GB General Secretary di masa Students Union DSU. Ebon Yauna all the Masa Students Union Atsu ni President and General Secretary Saushi Serba Pagate Hamna Moti Tiraladu. Okay, Ebon Yauna the Masa Women Welfare Society Nagaland. The Masa Women Welfare Society Nagaland. Ebon Yauna Nikhil Kachar Hadimba Barman Samiti. Nikhil Kachar Hadimba Barman Samiti. Ebojaka Dimasa Women Welfare Society Nagaland. Ebonyona Nikhil Kachar Hadimba Barman Samiti. Bunyaona Dimasa Students Union Nagaland. Ebojaka Dimasa Students Union Nagaland. Ebonyona Dimasa Bismay Bosong Nagaland. Dua felicitate Klaido Dimasa Students Union Nagaland. Ebonyona Dimasa Bismay Bosong Nagaland. Dimasa Bismay Bosong Nagaland ni yahon ajama Dimasa Students Community Guwahati busbo ready jai dongma sauda. Ode Bunyona Jorhat Dimasa Students Association ni serba phaidu tikede busbo ready jai dongma. Duha Dimasa Bismay Bosong Nagaland. Bunyaona Dimasa Students Community Guwahati. Ebode Dimasa Bismay Dimasa Students Community Guwahati ni. Jorhat Dimasa Students Association. Next, Jorhat Dimasa Students Association. Acha gire Hojai Dimasa Students Association. Bunyaona Lamding Dimasa Students Association. Bunyaona Dimasa Mothers Association. DSU Haflong College Unit. DSU Haflong College Unit.